Welcome to session 2. This session will focus on giving you the opportunity to answer exam-style questions for Level 1 Functional Mathematics. Section 3. Number exam questions. The following exam-style questions will use the following skills: to understand and be able to use whole numbers, to recognise and be able to use negative numbers in practical contexts, to understand how to add, subtract, multiply and divide whole numbers using a range of methods, to understand how to multiply and divide whole numbers by 10 and 100 using mental arithmetic. Remember to be aware of the points available and show all working out and a check for your calculations. Question 1. This question is worth 3 marks. Webcore builders are going to have a party to celebrate the retirement of their boss. Sam has been put in charge of the arrangements. She is going to buy a marquee. The marquee costs £291.60. She has £500 to spend on the marquee and the extras. Here is information about the costs of extras for the marquee. Sam also wants to buy 2 tables, a safety pack and 2 table covers. Is the total cost of the marquee and the extras Sam wants less than £500? Remember, pause the video while you answer the questions. Question 2. This question is worth 3 marks. The staff for Altius Architecture are undertaking a team building course. They will be in groups for the task. There will be 4 people in each group. Andy needs to write down the points he gives to each person during the task. And he wants 1 record sheet for each group of 4 people. He will give points for communicating, involvement and leadership. Design a record sheet for Andy. Pause the video while you answer the question. Question 3. This question is worth 5 marks. Jack travels to the staff training day. He can claim the money for his travel and expenses. Jack writes down these details: car journey 18 miles, car park £9.50, train ticket £45.20, fruit bar 95p. Jack will claim 45p for every mile he travels in his car. How much can Jack claim in total for his travel and expenses? Pause the video while you answer the question. Remember, you must show a check of your working. Question 4. This question is worth 1 mark. The company treasurer gives out these profit figures. Write a statement about the profit figures. Pause the video while you answer the question. Question 5. This question is worth 3 marks. Gary has to make 85 sandwiches for lunch at the staff training day. He is going to use 3 slices of bread to make each sandwich. Gary knows that there are 24 slices of bread in each loaf. He has 12 loaves of bread. Does Gary have enough loaves of bread to make 85 sandwiches? Pause the video while you answer the question. Question 6. This question is worth 3 marks. John the bricklayer wants to buy a house for £94,250. He has saved £22,000 to pay for the house. His annual salary is £25,370. John has been told he can borrow up to 3 times his annual salary as mortgage. Is John going to have enough money to buy the house? Pause the video while you answer the question. Question 7. This question is worth 3 marks. Brad works for a large building company as a labourer. He earns £304.50 for a 42-hour week. He sees this advert for another job in the local paper. Labourers wanted, £7.98 per hour, 42 hours per week. Brad thinks he can earn more at the new job. Is Brad correct? Pause the video while you answer the question. Show why you think this is. You must show how you check your answer. Question 8. This question is worth 2 marks. Brad finds out some more details about the new job. He would have to work 1 Saturday every 4 weeks. Brad thinks that this means he would have to work 13 Saturdays in 1 year. Would Brad have to work 13 Saturdays in 1 year? Pause the video while you answer the question. Section 3 exam questions. Ensure that you have checked your answers. Have you shown all of your working out? Have you shown a check of your calculations when required? Make sure your name is at the top of each sheet of your work and then hand it in. Remember, if you still have questions or need help, please ask me in class or email me.